Hello, I'm HairThatsHappy.
And I'm Rob Painless, and we just wanted to kind of sit down for a second to kind of ask everybody if you could go to Robert Agri's channel, Robert Agri Chilling Outdoors. For those of you that don't know Robert, he's a really, really good guy. I did some fishing with him, known him on YouTube for a while, but one of those people that the YouTube world kind of transformed into the real world. And when we were down visiting Christy's parents, my in-laws, earlier this year, Robert and I got to go out to do some fishing, and it truly was possibly the best day of fishing I ever had in my life. I'm going to get sad here talking about this. Robert and his wife Kim are dealing with cancer right now. Kim has got cancer, and Robert just posted that she's at hospice right now, which we know what that is. I just want to encourage everybody, go by there, go by his channel. If you have other ways to get a hold of him, I'll try to think if I should post anything beyond just his basic YouTube information. Maybe on Happy Hair's channel she can post his Facebook page. That might be a good way to do it for all the people that have Facebook. I don't do Facebook. I got kicked off a long time ago. Don't care. But they're dealing with about the hardest thing you can deal with right now, and we would just like to ask y'all to go show them some love. Robert and Kim are really, really neat people, just very open, giving, loving, fun, wonderful people, and just, you know, every now and then there's some jerks in the world that you don't feel bad about when something like that happens. That's not true, I guess, but in this case, though, this is the kind of thing that they just don't deserve to be happening to them. Show them some love if you can.
Yeah, we'll be praying for you.
Yeah, for sure. Robert, I don't know if you'll see this or not, brother, but I love you. You know I do. I sent you a text this morning. I know you've got too much on your mind to be able to see it, but in case you didn't see that, and if you see this, I'm sorry. I wish I knew something better to say right now. My mom died of cancer a few years ago, so I've sort of been there. Not the same as if my wife had it, but that'd be pretty bad. Anyway, if y'all can, show them some love. We'll post the links for the different things there, and yeah, if you're the kind of person that prays, pray for them. If you're the person that believes in karma and good vibes, send that for them as well. Anything would be good right now. Thank y'all.